In this video I will show you how to turn off the Facebook location. Start the Facebook application, go to this menu, scroll down, and here you have settings and privacy. Then go to settings, scroll down, and here you have location. You have to turn off the location access to be used only when the Facebook app is running, not all the time. Tap here, scroll down, here you have permissions, then you have location, and tap allow only while using the app. Then go back, again, and you have background location. Turn off this, and now you will save a lot of battery. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos.